Hello, everyone, and welcome to Counselor Feature Friday. I'm your host, Brian Urban. In these features, we hope to give you some simple tips, tidbits, and tricks to make your days easier and your patients happier. In this feature, we're going to talk about setting a normal range on the professional report audiogram. Now, this can be done on a per visit basis, or it can be set as a default. I'll show you both methods there. So first off, we're going to start here in a patient visit and scroll down to the report options area and select edit options. Now, like with all the other settings here, you can make changes on the fly. You have the ability to pull from preset templates, right? And I'll show you once again where those are set up. And of course, anytime you make changes here, you do want to click save, right? So even if you make it on the fly for this one audiogram, or you change the default, or the layout, I should say, go ahead and click save. If you want to add the normal range for a specific report and it's not already part of a set layout, you can click options and then display normal range, and you can set this however you wish. And what that will do is it'll apply a gray region to the professional report audiogram above these levels. So show a gray zone above the, in this case, we're setting it at a flat 25. So let's go ahead and save that and have a quick look. So this report then is showing a gray region above 25 dB for all frequencies because that's how we set it. Okay. Now, once again, you could do that on the fly. Typically, you would have that set up either as your standard default, or you could apply it to specific layouts. And you may have different, quote unquote, normal ranges depending on the purpose of the visit. For example, pediatrics versus an adult patient audiogram. So to set up your report layouts, you can go ahead up to administration and under professional report, choose report options. In this screen, we'll see the same list of options we just saw back in the patient visit screen. Specifically, we're going to look at audiogram displayed and then options. You can then choose, okay, this is what we want to set as our normal threshold curve. So you can set that, close, and then save. Okay, now in this case, I had left this specifically as the default, but of course, once again, you can choose from whatever different layouts that you have, and you could apply a different setting, for example, for pediatrics. Right, totally up to you. If you do not already have other layouts set up, you can simply do so by clicking on the Add Report Layout option off to the right, and then choosing any of the options that fit that scenario. And then, of course, the next patient encounter that you create, you'll be able to apply those layouts on the fly right away. So, applying the normal range is very simple, typically done through the templates, but can be done on the fly. Of course, if you have any questions about this process for using the normal range, please give us a call, email us, live chat us. We are always happy to help. Thank you very much for joining us for today's Counselor Feature Friday. And as always, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.